Hey guys, it's Rashid here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can able to transfer money from your State Bank website to another one account. First of all, log into your State Bank of India account. After successful login, you can able to see the account summary page. The same process can be applied for any State Bank group websites. It can be State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Hyderabad, or any State Bank of Trivandrum or any account. So in this video, I'm showing you the same process using State Bank of Trivandrum account. Now to transfer money from your account to someone's account, you need to add the concerned person account to your banking account. So it's called profile. So you need to add someone's account as a profile to your bank account. So in order to proceed through, you need to click on the payment or transfer tab. Here you can able to see fund transfer between your own accounts. If you have your own account between some other branches, you can click this option. But the same thing can be done on third party transfer and interbank transfer. So the third party transfer is nothing but if one of your friend is having the account in your same branch, then it is called third party transfer, the accounts within the same branch. Or if you have an account with some other branch like Axis Bank or ICICI Bank, you can able to transfer money between banks. This option is called interbank transfer. So this is money between the same branch. The interbank transfer is between the banks. So click on third party transfer. So you can able to see some of the accounts listed below, and here you can able to transfer up to 50 lakh amount per day through online. Below it is asking the amount and the remarks. So if I enter the amount and choose some account from below, then I can able to transfer the money to that particular account. So in order to show the account which you are going to transfer below, you need to add their profile to your account. Click on profile tab. Here you can able to see manage beneficiary. So you can add some beneficiary account here. It will ask you the profile password. You need to enter the profile password. For State Bank Group website, the profile password is considered to be the transaction password. It should be kept most secure. The profile password and the bank login password are entirely different, so don't confuse that. So the profile password is given at the time when you are opening your internet banking account, which means the bank will provide you the transaction password as profile password and also the login password. Here you can able to see the three options: third party transfer, interbank transfer, and State Bank Group beneficiary transfer. As the name itself, you can able to understand what they are. That third party means transferring money between the same branch. Interbank means between branches. Click on interbank. So you need to enter the name of the person who are holding the account. Right now I am going to add my Axis Bank account to the State Bank account. So entering my name and entering my bank account number. So these the name and account number should be the most accurate one, but the address, the below details like address, is not at all need to be the most perfect one. You can enter the optional address, but don't enter any comma or any special character in between the entries. After entering the address 1, address 2, and address 3 fields, you can set the maximum limit of the account to transfer the amount. So right now for my account I am entering 50,000 as the maximum limit. You can able to change the limit later. In order to add any account to your profile, there are two options. One is by entering the IFSC code, or second one is by choosing the location. First of all, let's try with location. I'm choosing Axis Bank, then my state, then my branch. If my branch is not at all listed here, then I can go for IFSC code. So for each and every bank there is an IFSC code. So in Google, if you type the bank branch and bank name and the branch, you can able to get the IFSC code for that particular branch. So copy it. You can able to directly paste the thing here. So I'm pasting it above and I'm entering it manually. After entering it, just click accept and click submit. It will show you no data received from server, so it's an error, but no need to worry about that. It's an server error, but still the thing which you have added is successfully added to your account. One more thing pending is you need to approve this thing. So after adding this, click on approve. So it will ask you two options. One is approve beneficiary or approve limit. Right now I am approve the beneficiary name. After entering this page, you will receive an SMS immediately through your mobile which has been registered with the bank account. Enter the password which has been received through the SMS and click approve. That's it. After 16 hours you will able to see the account which I have added right now into your bank profile. So that's it for the video. Hope you got some information about how to add accounts to your State Bank. Thank you.